In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cash App to Wix. If you're looking to offer your customers another way to pay on your Wix site, integrating Cash App is a great option. Let's go through the steps together. First, you need to access your Wix dashboard. This is your go-to place for managing your site and its features. When you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. It's good to ensure you know where everything is as we move forward. Now navigate your way over to Settings. You'll find this option on the left-hand menu. This section allows you to control various aspects of your site management. Once in Settings, look for the area tagged Accept Payments. This is an essential step because it directs us to where we can manage the ways your site can receive payments. This section is crucial as it ensures your site is equipped to handle transactions safely and efficiently. Now, focus on the option called Manual Payment. Here's where the magic begins. Click on Connect. This allows you to set up and specify payment instructions for methods not automatically listed by Wix. Connecting manual payment methods gives you the flexibility to accommodate your specific business needs. Following that, you'll find a field labeled Instructions. This is where you can communicate directly with your customers about how they can complete their payments through Cash App. It's important to be clear and concise in this section as these instructions will guide your customers through the payment process. You might want to outline the steps they need to follow or any details they need to include, ensuring a smooth transaction on both ends. In the next step, you'll put your Cash App tag into the designated space. This Cash App tag or cash tag is a unique identifier tied to your Cash App account. Ensuring this information is correct is crucial because it directly links the payment to your account. Double check your tag for accuracy before proceeding. Finally, after entering this information, the last step that seals the deal is to click on Connect. This action saves your setup and completes the process. Now, your site is capable of accepting payments via Cash App, expanding the payment options for your customers. To conclude, adding Cash App to your Wix site is a straightforward process. Each step is designed to ensure that your business can adapt to customer needs without hassle. Remember to periodically check your settings to confirm that everything is functioning as expected and provide a seamless buying experience for your audience. Thank you for watching and happy selling.